Hello and welcome to Workshop TV. I'm Nico Boden, Product Manager at KNIPEX. Today I'll be presenting the KNIPEX TubiX Pipe Cutter. The TubiX is a product that enriches the pipe cutter market. The special feature, the Quick Lock single-handed quick adjustment, allows for much higher working speeds with the TubiX than with traditional pipe cutters. Which two features characterize the Quick Lock single-handed quick adjustment? One is the slide, that can be adjusted with one hand to quickly and precisely position the cutting wheel on the workpiece. And the other is the pretension in the cutting wheel holder, which is generated by an additional spring. What does it all look like in practice? I'll demonstrate here with a 22 mm diameter copper pipe. First I make my mark, where I would like to cut through the pipe. And now I take the TubiX and place it precisely on the pipe. Now we see the big advantage of the pretension. The TubiX holds on to the pipe on its own. Now we're at the cutting process. Another special feature of the TubiX is that its overall length does not change, despite the quick adjustment. I put it on the front of the pipe here, and it locks into place with the pretension. To cut the pipe, I increase the cutting pressure at the cutting wheel and use simple rotations and slight adjustment of the cutting pressure to cut the copper pipe. The TubiX cuts pipe from 6 to 35 mm in diameter in standard materials like copper or brass. It even cuts stainless steel pipes. Stainless steel pipes are harder than both of the other materials, so a higher cutting pressure must be applied when cutting. This also creates more friction. But that's no problem for the TubiX, because technically we gave it the highest expansion level. The 4 guide rollers and cutting wheel are mounted on needle bearings to absorb the friction. I'll now use this removed guide roller to show you how this is technically implemented. These are the 2 needle bearings that significantly reduce the friction, even when cutting hard materials. To illustrate all of these benefits, I'll now use the TubiX on a 35 mm stainless steel pipe with a 2 mm wall thickness. The cutting process creates a burr on the inside of the pipe, which I can remove using the built-in deburrer. If necessary, I can also remove the deburrer from the TubiX. There is a second cutting wheel with a spare needle bearing in the rotary knob. Both cutting wheels can be replaced without using tools. To do this, I remove the quick change axis from the cutting wheel holder, so I can remove the active cutting wheel and insert the new cutting wheel into the holder. To finish, the newly inserted cutting wheel is affixed by inserting the quick change axis. Both the cutting wheel, including the needle bearings and quick change axis, and the deburrer are available separately as spare parts. The housing and the rotary knob are made of magnesium, making the TubiX particularly durable with a low weight. In conclusion, the KNIPEX TubiX, with its Quick Lock single-handed quick adjustment, unfurls its strengths in typical installation tasks, where pipes of different thickness need to be cut to length in succession quickly.